power running boards. Great, right? Until they stop working, or until they get really slow. Yeah, that crap. That's what I'm talking about. You don't want to sit here and wait, right? No. So brand new, these things from Ford, the motors, the hinges, super expensive. Not gonna do that. eBay, link in the description below. This guy is not OEM, but you can get used OEM, but in my opinion, getting used OEM, they're gonna wind up doing the same thing even sooner. So why not try aftermarket? Brand new. Who knows? But anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. Check it out. Okay, so this is my replacement motor I got off of eBay. One thing on packaging it, I noticed one of the 4 mounts is broken off, and it was not in the package, so it was broke off before this. That still leaves 3. I got this thing so cheap, I'm not going to worry about it. I think 3 is plenty enough to hold it. Plus you have the back hinge. So, so far, the hardest part, well, the only part, was getting this plug undone. It was so full of dirt and mud. You just had to wiggle it back and forth. I took a pair of pliers here and on the other one and just kind of slowly worked it back and forth. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the 4 bolts out here, up front here, and then the 4 bolts out back so I can just drop this whole thing. And I believe they're 15 mil, yep. So they're 15 mil. So I'm gonna get the 4 here, 2 on each side, and then the hinge down at the bottom. I'm gonna drop this whole board to make it just a little bit easier. No, I'm not gonna do that. I love this. So I'm gonna take these 2 Allen screws out right here, and then the screws in the back, and then I can get the board. I can just take the board out, and that'll give me more room. That'll be easier. I'll check back in with you when I'm done. Update time. It's gonna be easier to work with these out. So I plugged it back in, got it out, took the running board off, the hinge and the motor hinge, and a lot easier to work now. So you got 4 15s here. Obviously disconnect it while it's out, and you can shut the door and it'll be good. Yeah, and then you have a little set screw here on this bar, and the rod connects both the hinge to the motor, because this motor will operate the other hinge too. So I gotta clean this out and figure out what type of set screw is in this so I can get it out. I'm guessing it's the same size as the Allen key, which looks like it was a 5 millimeter. So I don't know, I'll dig this out, but I'm gonna get this rod off of here, and then well, loosen the set screw anyway so it'll pull out, and then I'll take these 15 mils out. All right, real quick update here as I'm holding you sideways. Oh well, this is a T30. Took me a while to figure that out, but quick update. There it is. That one just gotta beat it out of the bar when it comes down, but there is only 3 here. So that being said, this is only going to be held in by 2 bolts. So I don't know, that could be a problem. I'm not really sure, but maybe I'll just test it. So yeah, so the new one's gonna bolt to these 3. Oh, let me turn the light on here. I'm gonna bolt to these 3 studs right here. So it's just gonna sit up here just like that. And like I said, hopefully 2 bolts is enough. I think it will be. But I think I'm gonna take a picture and send it to the guy anyway. Maybe I can just get a discount. I mean, I didn't break it. All right, let me get it up there. All right, I wanted to pause and update y'all. So I slid this in here first. I kind of wiggled it, shimmied it in there a little bit, and then I used a rubber mallet on this end to just kind of tap it the rest of the way in. And then you can line up your bolt hole up here and what's supposed to be your bolt hole down here. And then over here, now I'm gonna put the T30 back in here, and then 215, and actually they're not 15s, they're 13s, sorry, in here. And then I am going to put the running board back on, because you can't get it on once these deploy back up. And then I'll start the set screws, move the running board up, and then I'll finish everything off and plug it in. This is going easier than I thought, guys. And I think I'm finished. Underneath, I got the set screws put back in. I plugged it in. Set screws are back there. Everything's good. Moment of truth. All right. Well, let's try it again, right? That's cool. Maybe we just got to work it in, yeah? No, we're getting closer. I'm gonna help it, see what happens. It is not wanting to go all the way. Let me mess with it. False alarm, it was fine. I didn't have the plug plugged in all the way, so it was losing power. Oh man. That is nice, and it's quiet. Too bad the dealership couldn't do that on the other side. Whatever. Okay. Oh man, that is nice. I might just replace the other one, because this was super easy. And no matter what anybody tells you, unless your rear hinge is seized up, you don't need that rear hinge. Just do this one to start anyway. But I think it'll work. I'm gonna make sure everything is plugged in again here. Nice and tight. Yeah, and there we go. That's it, man. Oh yeah. Let me try and get a... touch my white glasses with my dirty hands. Try and get a thumbnail here. Yeah, maybe put the Milwaukee in there. Will that work? I don't know. Should have a good thumbnail out of there. But anyway, guys, all right. Hopefully this video helped you out. Was not as bad as I thought. Keep these guys cleaned, debris out of them, and keep them lubed up. Yeah, especially if you're in northern here like me, salt and all that garbage. Here it goes. Oh man, that is killer. So quiet. And that's the old one. Junk. I'm gonna look out though, because people might actually remanufacture these. So I might hold on to this and do a little research and see if somebody wants to give me a cord charge for it, or maybe I can do it myself. Who am I kidding? I don't have that kind of time. Anyway, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or DM me on my Instagram. I have a Facebook page as well. Messaging me on Instagram is probably the quickest way to do it if you got any questions. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Hopefully I helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until we meet again, guys, later.